The real power in Photoshop comes when you can combine multiple selection tools together. So here we are back at our $100 bill, and I can click a rectangle, and then remember you have to come in and right mouse button click and say I'd like to transform that selection. Then I'm going to hold my command key down, and that lets me move each individual corner separately. So that does a pretty good job. But then I can come back in and say I'd like to warp this selection. So I can bring that down and bring that down, pull that up just a little bit. Pull that in just a touch. Alright, so now I'm done with that selection. You can see there's still a couple of problems. I can press my Q for the quick mask mode, and then I can use my paintbrush with black paint if I want to come back in again. I'm going to click right there and hold my shift key down, and that will give me a straight line in between each click, and then I can fill that in. I can switch to white paint, and I think somewhere in here switch back over to black. There we go. Switch to white. I've got a little bump right there. I can take that off. Switching back over to black. Looks like I need to come out just a little bit. Paint that in. Looks like there's just a little bit. Right there. Press my Q key again so I'm out of quick mask mode. Looks like there's an area I need to remove down there. I can get, for example, my Polygonal Lasso tool, hold my Option key down so we're minusing. And again, I'm holding my Option key down, and we'll come down and get that little corner. And I'm looking around. It's looking pretty good. Looks like there's just a little place down here. I'll get my paintbrush tool again, and looks like about right there. So there I have it. I've got it perfectly selected. I could jump it up to a new layer, turn off the background layer, and that's how powerful using multiple selection tools are.